Hi guys, so I have a scrapbook.com order and I ordered quite a few things from scrapbook.com, some bigger items that I've been wanting that have just been sitting in my cart and waiting for the right time to purchase it. My last haul is actually falling over. Okay, so let me start with the free items that I got, and I always wait. I put stuff in my scrapbook.com cart. I let it sit there until there are free items that I want. Unless it's something that's time sensitive. Like sometimes they'll do live stream bundles, which I've missed because I've let the stuff sit in my cart, and that's okay. But yeah, I usually let certain things sit in my cart, and then I wait for like a coupon code and some free gifts, and I wait for a combination of the two, and then I order. So when I did it this time, there was a coupon code which gave me 10% off, and there were some free gifts. So let's start with the free gifts. So one of the free gifts that I really wanted was this Hero Arts, and this is a scrapbook.com exclusive, which means it's only sold here. And you guys, I wanted it because I wanted this spell book and I wanted this open book right here. So this was a free item. So I'm like, okay, there's a coupon code and I really want this free item and I can only get it from scrapbook.com. So I went ahead and got it. So that is that. And this is called, what is it called? Magical Day. It's by Hero Arts. So this is so cute. This was another free item. This is Arabella's Garden. It's a paper rose collection. It's a 6x6, so it's 12 different sheets. So this was a free item. And then this was also a free item. This is a Crafter's Companion pad. And this was free. This is not really my style, so I may destash it. We'll see. Both of these actually are not really my style, but I really wanted this, and I wanted the 10% off because I got some bigger items. Okay, so speaking of, let's get to the stuff that I purchased. One thing that I purchased was this embossing powder. This is Pastel Rosy Glow Ultra High. So this is like a very chunky embossing powder, and I saw Poochie, who's Poochie Tats here on YouTube, using it in one of her many wonderful videos where she'll show you like how to use the stuff that she buys. And I was like, girl, where's that chunky embossing powder from? And she told me it's from here. So I ordered it from scrapbook.com, and I can't wait to use it when I become a big time stamper, which I don't know when that's gonna happen. Some other things that I ordered was they just had, today is September 14th. They just had recently their SB Fest on September 12th, so last Friday. And Laura, who is actually does their live streams all the time, did a card making project, and hers had a kit. And so they do these kits a lot where they have a bunch of stuff come with it, and it'll be a really good price. So this kit was $44.99, but it came with all this stuff, including the bag. So it came with obviously the bag, like I said. It came with this Festive Duo cardstock, which when I first saw this, I didn't want it because I thought it was going to be both colors. But one side is this color and one side is the other color. So it's double-sided paper. The lighter side is that way, and then the darker side is this way. So then I was like, oh, this is a great paper pad. So it came with one of these. This is in 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So this is like a A2 card front size. And then it also came with this cute stamp set, which is called Bright Holidays, which goes with this die set, which I thought was just too cute to leave. So look what it makes. Look how cute that is. And this is the stamp set that goes with it. But you guys, look how cute. So she has a class. The classes are free. And so now that it's happened, like she live streamed it, but of course you can go back and watch it. And I just thought these were so cute. Like, look at this little, I'm definitely going to make this one for Halloween. And then of course, Christmas, like all the things. It also came with this, which this is a halo light combo. So you can create your own light up cards. So she uses all of this stuff in her class. And so they basically give you the supplies for the class. This is rub-on transfers in Snowflake. So pretty. So it comes in black and white. So these are the black ones, and then underneath here are white ones. And then it came with some foam tape. This is their foam adhesive. I love their tape, and I like their foam tape too. This is 3mm foam tape, so it's thick. And it's a 1/4 inch thick, or a 1/4 inch wide, I guess I should say. So all of that came for the $45, which I thought was a pretty good price. They always will tell you like, oh, retails for $3 million, but we're only selling it for 40. But it's never worth the retail price. But a lot of times these little kits are great ways to get some good stuff. And they had other kits, but this is the only one that I was interested in. So even if I don't watch the class, I still wanted the stuff. But the class is a bonus, you know? So anyway, got that. And then I also got some paper, not a lot, just a few sheets of things that I wanted. So there were a few more sheets to this paper collection, which is called Lil Boo Thing. This came out last year by Photoplay. It's so stinking cute. So I did get 2 more sheets of this paper. And then I got 2 more sheets of this star paper because it's just so pretty. And I'm thinking about using this as the paper for my, the back is pretty too, for my witch swap, but we will see. And then this is the paper that I'm using for my neon swap. And this is called Hey Pumpkin. And I just wanted more of these sentiments. And I did an order from, so I used this last year and I used up a lot of it. So I did a reorder this year and I ordered a lot of it from Country Craft Creations, but they didn't have, I think they didn't have this sheet and I wanted this sheet. And then also something that I'm using this year for a different Halloween swap is Doodlebug Sweet and Spooky, and it is more of a pastel. And this is the acetate sheet. So I did want to get 1 more of these while I still can, because, you know, they come out with these collections, they sell them for like 10 seconds and then you have to hunt to find them. Okay, so now I got 2 big ticket items. The first one was this little Scout. So cute. It's a tiny, tiny, tiny little die cutting machine. The reason I got this is because I die cut all over my house. Or I want to die cut all over my house. I craft all over my house. And sometimes I just want to like watch TV and do like some repetitive die cutting, like flowers or rosettes or whatever. And right now my current setup, I use an Anna Griffin Impress, which is an electronic machine, but it is too big to carry around everywhere. And I just wanted a little cute manual machine. So this was $68.99 plus I got the 10% off, but Scrappers.com is the only one that has it in pink, and when you get it with them, it also comes with a magic mat. So it comes with everything, because the Scout comes in white, and so it comes with a few things, and everywhere it comes with the same stuff, except for at Scrappers.com it also comes with this magic mat, which the magic mat really is, this is something that you need. So it comes with this little pink machine, which is a tiny machine. It comes with the, you know, the cutting bases that you need for it. And then it also comes with this die set, an embossing folder that's exclusive to this kit. And then it came with this magic mat. So I did get this. I'm really excited about this. I was like on the fence. It's been in my cart for a long time. But as of late, I've really been, because I usually don't watch a lot of TV, but me and my hubby have been watching TV, and I've been torn because I'm like, I want to craft, but I also want to watch this show with my husband. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna, you know, get everything I need. So I've been making myself little, this is not it, this is not one, but here's an example of what I mean. I've been like packing up stuff in these little containers and then bringing it to wherever we're watching TV, and then just watching TV and then crafting and then bringing it back to my desk. So that's that. And then another big ticket item, and the last item that I'm gonna haul today is another item that I've been wanting and back and forth. Do I want it? Do I want it? Do I want it? And then I finally got it. And I have been collecting things in preparation for buying it, but I didn't have the machine, and that is this glimmer machine. So I've been buying like Better Press or like hot foil, you know, like dies or whatever, they're plates is what they're called, but I didn't actually have the machine to use them. So now I have the machine to use them. I did get a few of the plates on clearance from Pink Fresh and just some other places. So I am so excited about that. If you know me, you know I love all the glimmery things. So I already have ordered some of these rolls. It does come with some. It comes with the rainbow and the gold. This pickup tool I already have because I tried to use it for my dies before, but there's another tool that works a little better that's from Simon Says Stamp that I want to get. That's like $4. And then there are some glimmer plates that come with it. So I am so excited. I've been a little bit intimidated by this machine, honestly, but I've watched videos probably for 6 months, and I just finally was like, all right, it's on sale. And yeah, I want to get it. I want to do a few things for Christmas for sure. Maybe Halloween. We'll see if I open it by the time, you know, I do some Halloween crafting. But I've been watching a ton of videos, and it doesn't, at first I was really intimidated by it because when it first came out, it's like people were using the Better Press things, and they realized that they actually worked even better than some of the hot foil things. So there was all this confusion, and I was just like, should I get it? Should I not? But now that it's been out for a while, there are so many videos on the internet about using it. So I did get this. It was $129.99. I don't know if I said that. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. So that is my scrapbook.com haul. So some more fun goodies. If you want to see me using some of this stuff, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye.